So now, having understood this principle, we go to the context of our question and then see what we can do here. So what do we have? Let's see. It says, Binki Co. has an item of land carried in its books at £13,000. 2 years ago, a slump in land values led to the company to reduce the carrying amount from £15,000. This was recorded as an expense. There has been a surge in land prices in the current year. However, the land is now worth £20,000. So let's gather around what the heck is going up here. So Binki Co. So we get first the carrying amount 2 years ago. We were told that 2 years ago it was carried at £15,000. But then they are now carrying it in their books at 13,000. So revalued amount. Also 2 years ago is 13,000. So it means that the land suffered an impairment, or if you want revaluation loss, of £2,000. Stay with me. And they said this was recorded as an expenses. Yeah, because it's right. That's what we just said. That if we revalue the asset for the first time and it results into a loss, what do? We take it to the P&L account. So they've done the right thing, taking that 2,000 to the P&L account. But let's see what's happening now. There has been a surge in land prices in the current year. However, the land is now worth £20,000. The land is now worth £20,000. So the revalued amount currently £20,000. And so the balancing figure means that we'll have a revaluation surplus here of £7,000. Now, how do we account for this £7,000 here? We cannot pick the £7,000 and then boom, throw it into the OCI. Because remember previously, it was having what? An impairment loss. So what will be the journal entry? Our journal entry will look like this. Yes, the asset is going up in value. So we're going to be debiting the land with £7,000. But we'll first credit profit or loss with the 2,000, right? Then the balancing figure is what we will take to revaluation surplus, which will go on the face of the statement of financial position, or OCI, 5,000. This is the answer to the question. So again, principles you apply. Principles you apply. This is very important.